Come here, Blizzard. Blizzard. Here we go. Blizzard. Was that a sneeze? Blizzard, come here. Come here, Blizzard. Come on.
Where you at?
Right here. Now he going back up.
Blaze, come here, boy. Come here. Good. Come here, look at me. Good boy.
Come on, Blizzard, so I can put this on YouTube. Come here, boy.
You know what you want to put on YouTube?
Come here.
You know what you need to put on YouTube? KK.
Oh, you wet.
KK. KK, you know what you need to put on YouTube?
What?
So while a few days ago, I turned on the sprinkler,
Mm-hmm.
and then he went over there. The water came up. He started digging the thing, and the water got in his face, and then he jumped back. Then he went over here and started doing the same thing.
Oh, wow. I got videos of Blizzard when he was, I think, 10 months old. I got him when he was when he first turned 1, and I'm just now getting one. Nope, and then I got one for December, I think Christmas Eve when I was over here. I got it from over there when he was over there trying to get in, play the game. Huh? Videos. Blizzard! Blizzard! I'm leaving you. I'm gone. Your daddy calling you, Cam. In your Suburban.
Huh?
In the Suburban.
Cam, get out of the Suburban. Boy! Come here!
Not you, Blizzard.